Hey dosto, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about normal distribution example. So till now we have solved many examples on the basis of normal distribution. So this is a very different example related to normal distribution. So before we start, I just want to tell you that please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification icon, the bell which has been shown below. That will make sure that every time when I upload any video, you will be notified. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon. So let's start with the solution. In a distribution, exactly normal 7% of items are under. Okay, so let me give you any idea that whenever you come across this under over here under, so this is the hint of this type of questions. Okay, so in a distribution exactly normal 7%. Okay, so it is from the question we know that the normal distribution is, and the question is of normal distribution, and then it is given that 7% of items under 35. Okay, so 7% of items are under 35. So 7%, what do you mean by 7%? 7% means 7 by 100 divided by 100 is equal to 0.07. So we have to make a normal curve here. So this will be the normal curve. So it is told us in the question that items are under 35. Under means towards the left side. Okay guys, under means towards the left side, and which is given 0.07. Okay. Okay, so total area, as we know that we have seen in previous examples and in introduction also, the total area of left hand side is 0.5 and total area of right hand side is 0.5, because both are symmetric. That is the reason 0.5 is the left hand side total area. So if we if I want this region, the unshaded region area, what I will do, I will minus this 0.07 with this, so I will get 0.43. so this is the area. Okay, so we need now Z. We don't have here the Z value. We know this, we know both the areas, but we have to find this Z. So for this, it is given in question, that is Z is equal to, here it is given for 0.43 area, the Z value is 1.48. So 1.48, but as we have seen in many videos, previous examples and in introduction, that left hand side, if we had, we will consider it as minus sign, because it is in the left hand side, the Z is in the left hand side, so we have to take minus sign over here. Then the formula, x minus mu upon sigma. So we have value of x, which is 35. It is given here. Minus mu upon sigma minus 4.8. So this mu will come to the right hand side and multiply with minus 1.48. Okay, so then this 35 is equal to, this mu will go to the right hand side and will become plus. And okay, so guys, this is our first equation. Okay, so okay, we will continue to the second part. This was the first part. Second part, that is 89% of items are under 63. Find probability of atoms lies between 45 and 55. Okay, so we will, to find probability we need value of mu and sigma. Okay, so how can we find? By solving this first one, 7% and then 89%. So we will just do the second part, that is B part. 89% of items are under 63. So 89% means 0.89. Okay, so we will plot a normal curve. Okay, so under means left side. Okay guys, this we have seen over here also, but here is one important point. Here the 7% we can draw it here because this side is very less. Okay, but here it is not 7%, or it is not a small value. Here it is 89%. So we have to show a curve which has max to max 89, matlab max to max 89 area. So we can consider this part, the left hand. We are considering left side, but we have to make sure from the from this value we can see. Let me clear this. It is showing, it is given that under means left hand side, so we will take the left hand side. But how much from which left side? From this left side or from this left side? Okay, that will depend upon the value. Here it is 7%, so we can know, it is logically that 7% would be this much, means 0.07 0.07 value, this much of area is required. But here 0.89, it is almost 1, so we have to take this. Okay, and the remaining, I think it is almost 90%. So this is the left hand side. So make sure guys, this is the important thing. Okay. Okay, so don't confuse in this graph, because we know that area 0.5 is this part, 0.5 is this part. It is given 0.89. See, we will consider 89, that means almost 90. So almost 90 means this is the 0.5 and this part also. Okay, so we know, so left side is 0.5 as we know, and here also right hand side is also 0.5. But if we take this area, if we want to find this area, the Z, okay, so this is the 0.5, and if total is 0.89, if I minus 0.85 by 0.5, we will get this area. Okay, which is 0.39. This area guys, this shaded from Z equal to 0 to this is 0.39. You may wondering that why I didn't take the area from for 0.89. Okay, but let me inform you guys, we can have the area for at least from 0.5. Okay, maximum zero point 0.5 we can take area, more than that we cannot take the area. So we have to consider this part as different 0.5 and this part. So we have to find the area for this region 0.39. So we cannot find area for 0.89. So we break this into two parts, that is 0.5 and 0.39. Okay, so for z equal to 0.39, okay, which is given in the question here, that 0.39 z value is 1.23. So 1.23 and x is given, that is 63. Here x is equal to 35 and here x is equal to 63. So 63 minus mu upon sigma is equal to 1.23. 63 minus mu 1.23 into sigma, and then 63 plus mu plus 123. Okay, so here we get two equations. This is the second one, which is 63 equal to mu plus 1.23 sigma. So what we will do now, we will find these two equation, calculate these two equation on the calculator, and we will get a value for mu and sigma. So if I enter this value in calculator, these equations in calculator, so I will get mu as 50.29 and sigma has 10.33. Okay, okay, so this is, in this example we have first find the z, okay, and then sorry, in previous examples we directly find it the z value and we get the answer, but in this example we have to find the value of mu and sigma, and then we will find the, okay, so here we have find mu and sigma. Now we have to find the probability items lies between 45 and 55. Okay, probability between 45 and 55. So we know 45 here, x 55, and here minus mu divided by sigma minus mu divided by sigma minus mu divided by sigma. So P probability is equal to, we will put the values 45 minus mu, which is 50.29 upon 10.33 and this is z. This is the formula. 55 minus 50.29 upon 10.33. So here we get, by calculating, here we get a value and save z, and here we get another value. Okay, so I will write the value over here, and then so we have get these values, and then we have to make a curve, normal curve. So it is 0 minus 0.512, and here it is 0.456. So we have to find the area between this. Okay, so we have to calculate this. Okay, so here I have taken only 2 digits after the point, so I have made the round off, so it is 51, and here it is 0.46. okay, so it is minus 0.51 and 0.46. Find the, okay, let me just make the correction, guys. We have to find the area. So here we have get the z. Okay, so z equal to, and this z equal to, okay, so we have to find the area. So we have to find the area between z equal to 45 and 55. So area of this, from, we will take from z equal to 0 to this left hand side, that is z equal to 0 to z equal to minus 0.51 plus area z equal to 0 to z equal to 0.46. okay, so we know that this area which is given in the question, that is 0.1950 plus this area for 0.46 which is given in the question, that is 0.1772. okay guys, if it is not given in the question here in this video, but in the exam they provide to us. Okay, so don't worry about these values, I tell you, trust me. So here we get the final answer by adding them. So guys, in this video, this example is basically about the part which is given that 89% of items are under 63, okay, and 7% of items are under 35. okay, so there is a little bit different in this example. Difference was that it is given us the under. okay, so whenever in exam you get this type of question which has mentioned under or below, that means we have to take the left hand side. Or if anytime it gives above, okay, above, so we have to take the right hand side, guys. Remember, below or under we will take the left hand side, above we will take the right hand side whenever we make this z. okay, whenever we want to make this normal curve. so it is under, so we are taking left hand side. If here it was below, okay, so we would have taken from this to right hand side, or towards till this, from this point towards this, because 89% is more area. Okay, so here I will make the final answer, which is 0.3722. This is the area between 45 and 55. Okay guys, so this was the easy, and this is the sum which came in exams, which came many times in exam. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have well prepared for these types of questions. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understand this video, and please let me know about the doubts, or if you have any query in the comment box. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the video.